Hey, hello and welcome to another t-shirt design tutorial. My name is David Oisamoje. How you doing today? How's your family doing? Hope you're having a good time. I hope this video made you cool. Hope you're having a good health. I can see someone smiling. I love that. Keep on smiling. Always be happy. Don't allow conditions bring you down. Don't be depressed. Be happy. Stay happy. Live healthy. So my name is David Osamoje, as I told you earlier, and I'm here to design on all the t-shirt design that sells on Redbubble, Teepublic, Match by Amazon, anywhere you want to put it on. This is the channel you want to be. So if you've not subscribed, please subscribe and go through a lot of episodes. 38 episodes up already, as you can see, about 38 episodes up already. So you have a lot of content to feed yourself with. It's never a dull moment. If you want to learn, if you have learned and you want to add to your skills, make sure you subscribe and watch as much episode as you want. So without wasting much of your time, let's get straight down to today's video. Note, I release video every single day. Every single day I have a new video. So without wasting much of your time, let's go through this one. I'm gonna open my Photoshop right about now. Gonna open Photoshop, as you can see. So we're gonna be designing something super easy but highly in demand. Yes, super easy or highly in demand. So without wasting much of time, I went to File, now New. The standard is 4500 by 5400 pixel. This is the settings I love to use, so I'll just press OK. As you can see, so just press OK. So now I'll click on this padlock. You can see here, I'll double tap on it and press OK again. This is so that I can be able to put up this layer at the end of the design. So for this design, I'll just go to my pictures, camera. Yeah, this is it. So I'll just bring this in, do my horizontal. So I'm gonna reduce this. So to reduce this, all I had to do was, or all I'll do is to click on three buttons: my Alt key button, my Shift key button, and my left mouse key button. I'll drag my mouse inwards. To reduce. As you can see, didn't take me much time. Just drag my mouse inwards to reduce. So I'll press enter now. As you can see, I have it there. So now I want to duplicate this layer, this picture you see here. I want to duplicate. So to do that, all I have to do is press on my Alt key button, my left mouse key button, and just drag my mouse to the right. Sorry about that. Just drag it to the right. So now we have that. As you can see, this is it. So what I'm going to do, I'll do my Ctrl T, my keyboard, then I'll come to flip horizontal. Yes, that is the effect I want. As you can see, we have that now. I'll just shift that up a bit so that they're on the same line. Now the next step is for me to group two of them together. To do that, I'll click on the first one, that's the copied layer, press my Control button on my keyboard, click on the second one, and I'll just do Ctrl G. So now I have them grouped together. If I click on this, they go out together. So now I want to increase them a bit, so I'll do my Ctrl T. So I like the two of them. I'll move my mouse to this edge. I'll do my Control, my Alt key button, Shift key button, and left mouse key button. Drag outwards to increase. So when we've done that, press enter. Now we have that all set. So the next step will be to change the color. So I'll go back into this layer by just clicking this arrow here. Click on that. This first one, I'm gonna make it a different color. Okay, let me do it from here. I'll just double tap on this edge, color overlay. So I'll just come Just try and pick a color. I think I like that. But I want to see how it will look. I want to see how it will look on the black shirt, so I'll come to this layer and just make this black. Make it black. Remember, we'll design for what we put on a shirt, so just make this black. Let me see. So I'll come here and change this color, or double tap. Let me show you how to do that so that you don't make mistake. Please follow me. I'll come to this edge, as you can see, double tap, color overlay, and I'll just pick a color. Pick a color. Yeah, like that. So now for my font, I'll just write something fancy, but I think I should change this. What do you guys think? Let me see if I change this to a different color. What will happen? Okay, yes, it's better now. Okay, yeah, I think we like this. So now the next thing I want to do is to add my text, which is going to say I can freeze you. As you can see, it's quite small, so I'll do my Ctrl T to highlight it. I'll over my mouse to the edge as usual. My 3 button, my Alt key button, Shift key button, left mouse click button, and I'll just drag outward. Sorry about that. I'm going to do that again. Alt key button, Shift key button, Alt key button, Shift key button, left mouse click button, drag outwards. I'll press enter. So I like it, but I think making it curve will make more sense. What do you guys think? So to do that, I'll just copy this, highlight, cut, so I'll just delete this layer. Then I'll come over to this shape tool, press it down. If you press it down to give you this other option, but if you just click on one, it will give you this option. But if you press it down to give you other options, I want the ellipse tool. I'll press my Shift button and my left mouse click button and just drag outwards. See, now I have that, but it's full color. I don't want full color, so I'll just come here and click on this, and now I'm okay. I'm okay with that. So what I want to do now is to come back to this and just paste my word back. You can see it's quite small, so I'm going to increase this. I'm going to increase it. Yeah, I think I'm okay with this. Let me just change the color. Let me change the color. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments. I love your feedback. Your feedback is very important. Just let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna do something different. Sorry about that. Please stay with me. I want you guys to stay with me. So this one will have a different color. Okay. And this will have a different color. With that purple. So I can just leave the U the way it is. So now just try to change the font. So to do that, you see I went to my font and just move this around. Can freeze you. Okay with that. Now we have that. We have that all set. As you can see, it's all set. So we have our design. So it's quite easy to get this done. Now all you have to do is send it over. Just send it over to your t-shirt. You can do that on Redbubble, which is my favorite, Teespring, second favorite, Match by Amazon, not easy to get into, Teespring, Teepublic. Those Teepublic, my favorite is Redbubble, followed by Teepublic, Teespring, Match by Amazon. So all you have to do now is to carry your design and upload it to your shirt. But please don't carry my design, because you'll be suspended from the site for copyright infringement, because by the time you are watching this video, this should already be up on those sites. So once you upload same design, they're going to flag your account. So, and I don't want that to happen to you. So please and please, you can be creative. Just create your own design and you are good to go. To your right, you see my playlist. Make sure you watch this playlist. I love you all, and I'll see you tomorrow. Have a nice day.